Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. It's January of 2026, and we've been very, very busy as usual. We have a fully finished 3/16 thick marine aluminum tank. It's 103 gallons, and it can be matched up with any of our units. It's got multi-size here, so you can bush it down for a small blower. It'll go up to a 47, but we can actually make them up to 56 and 57, depending on a person that might have a 56 blower or 59 blower unit. We have the polyethylene 1-inch, it's about 1/2 inch thick, very, very strong polyethylene tanks. Actually can take a 47 blower. So the pressurized, it doesn't over pressurize or under pressurize. It is perfect. It will actually there's no implosion on any of our tanks. They're super sturdy, easy to maintain, easy to mount. This is a space-saving unit, so it's easy to get into different areas of your truck for both trailer, box truck, or regular van. As you can see, we've been very busy. We have pre-cut uni frames, 1/4 inch plate, and that will represent the bottom base of any of these units here, as well as the large SE series large tower that has the large panels that get put on it. And so we've been very busy for a reason, because our prices and our high quality and our prices are affordable, and we get a lot of people into business. As you can see, it's January 2026. We're stocking up on a lot of parts. We're just very well organized, and I'm getting help from my son, so that both of us are working full tilt to ensure that we get the best and highest quality unit in the market for the people that want to get into this business without emptying all their pockets out. So we are a factory. So factory will determine the size of your bank account. We're not looking to empty your bank account. We're looking to just get you into a fair priced unit, reasonably priced unit that will last many, many years. You'll be able to get 2,000 pounds pressure, and on the larger pump, like the 47 that we're building, that will be a 5.5. If you choose to have a 5.5, we can get you into a larger AR pump. These units are all open concept. They're easy breathe, easy maintenance, easy to maintain and operate. Their footprint is 30 by 41, and very easily can get a tank in behind it or alongside of it. So, like I said, we're busy for a reason, and we build one of the finest patented heat exchangers in the marketplace. So we've been busy helping people augment their existing units, whether it be the ProChem series or the aftermarkets or Hydromaster, Steamway. Any one of those will help you out in getting on the road with the greatest heat. And you can also use it for pressure washing, high level of pressure washing that will enable you to do multifunctional jobs without, hurting your business. You want to be able to get as much as you can out of your business. So you want to be able to get that high pressure without having to compromise the coils. The heaters are 3,500 pounds pressure rated, heavy wall stainless, in a unique design, a parallel ranging. Look us up on Google Patents. We've been there for a while. We're a 19-year builder, so we know what we're doing. We take pleasure and pride in everything that we do, and this 37 big block will be going on the 47 XL. We can interchange engines. If you decide an economy, you want to go the 690, which is a 22 horsepower, I believe 23 horsepower engine, 670cc. Or if you decide to, this is the 670 right here, okay? And the 690, GX 690 is a carbureted version of the Predator, and they're in the same family. They're made by Honda. But the 690's been out for a long time. Parts, they're all easy to get parts to. A lot of people are loving these Predator engines. They're just really sturdy for the money. But if you feel more comfortable with a GX 690 or an EFI, we can get you into an EFI if you decide, like the GX 700s, or if you decide to just have a Kohler engine or CH 752 3100. which is a 27 horse Kohler, typically put on the 45s, the compact 45 series and 45 SCs. But either way, we're very flexible in what we do. We want to make it easy for you, okay? And we want you to be able to get into the marketplace and go against competition, because again, some of these guys might be getting $27,000, $30,000 units and they still can't get over 2,000 PSI. So they're actually not doing so well. So not only are you going to save a lot of money, but you're going to get the highest quality this market knows of. Everybody knows of access point heaters. They're well known all over the world. And we've been doing this for a long time, 19-year builder. So check us out online. And one of the other things is when I got that tank out there, I also did a 105-gallon freshwater tank up in my other building, in which I'll show you. Beautiful day in Lecanto. Gonna get a lot of work done. I love this weather. It's not real hot. I can do a lot of work in this weather. It's just really, really nice climate here. So, sunny day in Lecanto, Florida. So here we have a GX 690, 690cc, really very strong engine. Will get you the torque that you need. It's very comparable to the 670, but a lot of cases people have grown used to using the Honda 690. And just a very well-built engine, easy to get parts. It's got that same right-hand pod for both the choke and the key switch and throttle. Here's the 105-gallon freshwater tank, which is a different footprint, but still the other one that I showed you on the video, the compact 45, has a slightly different footprint where it comes a little longer, and then the width changes a little bit on the side, but other than that, they're all the same. 3/16 marine aluminum. Look at those welds. Is that beautiful or what? A lot of time and effort goes into this. It's not easy building good tanks. And they've got baffles so they can hold the weight. Got a little cubby here for your 5-gallon container so it's not sloshing all over the place. Makes everything look organized and professional. You got your inlet going in for your water. You got nice foot brackets for mounting, as well as your mounting angle brackets, which are for your pump station. And then you got your inlet going into your pump station. You got a 4-inch clean out. Once I augment this, powder coat it, it's going to look so beautiful. These brackets are 2-inch, so you can, what I do is when I do build, this gets powder coated, then I complete the other console, that gets powder coated, and then it gets bolted right to the freshwater tank subwell, and then it makes it easier so that you don't damage the unit as you're putting on a big engine. So it's a build-up process. So look us up online 24/7 at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Call us if you have any questions. Again, our units will do well over 2,000 pounds pressure and up to 3,000 depending on the size of the pump. It'll give you the security and well-being to know that you don't have to turn down a high-pressured job. So get as much as you can out of your machine. That's the key for today's industry and today's economy. 727-505-2989. Look us up online again at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.